Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to install the Tonkeeper Wallet. Alright, for those of you who have been farming and earning airdrops on the Ton network, right, on Telegram, if you're farming any airdrop on Telegram or playing or participating in any game that earns you points or airdrops on Telegram, you are actually doing the Telegram airdrop. Alright, you are actually farming tokens or airdrops on the Ton network. Alright, so help you keep your tokens that you've earned or farmed over time. Before the launch, you will need a wallet. There are two types of wallet you can install. I'm going to be talking about the Tonkeeper Wallet today. Search the Tonkeeper Wallet here, just type Tonkeeper, and this bot is what we are going to use. Click on this bot here and then just click on this keeper here, and you see it says welcome to Tonkeeper, world class speed. Thanks to the unique architecture of the open network, Ton transactions are settled in seconds. And end-to-end security, Tonkeeper stores your cryptographic keys on your device. All trades are executed via decentralized protocol so that your crypto never ends up in hands of centralized exchanges. So we'll just go ahead and click on get started, and then let's set up your wallet. You need a connected wallet to use Tonkeeper. Either create a new wallet or import an existing one. We're going to go with create new wallet. All right, it's generating our wallet address and all the features that comes with the Tonkeeper. All right, so it says grab a pen and a piece of paper. We strongly recommend you write down the recovery phrase because it is the only way to have access to and recover your wallet in case of losing your device. Do not send it to yourself via email or take a screenshot. It's safer when kept offline, and that is the absolute truth. Do well to write down this security phrase or recovery phrase in a piece of paper or in your notepad or your journal that is only safe and personal to you. Click on continue, so we'll go forward. Now this video is mainly for the purpose of showing you how to create a Tonkeeper wallet. All right, I'm going to do away with this so it doesn't matter if you copy down the seed phrase or not. So I'll click on continue after I have written this down. So I'll take a while to write it down because I'll need some of them in the sequence and order in which they appeared on the next screen. All right, I have safely written this down, and then I'll click on continue, and I'll be asked to enter the phrases in the manner and order in which they appeared. I'm asked to provide the 5th, the 14th, and the 20th. So I'll just key that in. When you do that, you'll be asked to provide a password. So I'll key in the password for this wallet. All right, and then I'll click on continue when I'm done, and you see it's asking me to enable notification, right? So I'll just enable notification so as to get notified when I receive tokens in the wallet. So you can see it has been properly set up. That is how easy it is to set up your wallet. You can play around. If I want to send or receive tokens, if I have Ton, you see I don't have any Ton in my wallet, so it's empty. If I want to receive a token, I'll click on receive and then copy this wallet address and send to who is going to send me coin on the Ton network. All right, so that is how easy it is to set up your Tonkeeper wallet. And then you can always connect this wallet to any of those apps that requires you to get your coins sent to you when they eventually launch. That is it, guys, on this particular video on how to create and set up your Tonkeeper wallet. All right, see you on the next one. Bye.